Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy set operations. Today we'll explore the Union1d function, which allows us to combine unique elements from multiple arrays. This is a fundamental operation when working with data analysis and scientific computing in Python. Let's start with the basics. A set union is a mathematical operation that combines all unique elements from two or more sets. In mathematical notation, this is represented as a union. The key point here is that the result contains every distinct element that appears in either set, without any duplicates. The syntax for NumPy's Union1d function is straightforward. You call np.union1d and pass two parameters, a r1 and a r2, which represent your first and second arrays. The function returns a new array containing all sorted unique elements from both input arrays. Here's a practical example. We import NumPy as np, then create two arrays. Array 1 contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Array 2 contains 3, 4, 5, and 6. When we apply Union1d to these arrays, the result is a new array with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Notice that the overlapping values 3 and 4 appear only once in the output. Union1d has four important features. First, it automatically removes duplicates, keeping only unique elements. Second, the output is always sorted in ascending order. Third, it flattens arrays regardless of their original shape. And fourth, it's optimized for efficient performance, even with large datasets. Let's see how Union1d handles duplicates within the arrays themselves. Array 1 contains 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Array 2 contains 3, 4, 4, and 5. Despite having multiple duplicates both within and between the arrays, the result is clean: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All duplicates are removed automatically. Union1d also works with multi-dimensional arrays. Here we have two two-dimensional arrays. Array 1 is a 2 by 2 matrix with values 1, 2, 3, 4. Array 2 is also a 2 by 2 matrix with 3, 4, 5, 6. When we apply Union1d, both arrays are automatically flattened and the result is a one-dimensional array: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's recap the key points. Union1d combines unique elements from two arrays. It returns sorted output automatically. It removes duplicates from both input arrays, and it flattens multi-dimensional arrays into a single dimension. This function is essential for data cleaning and set operations in NumPy. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.